Hey you guys, so I want to share with you guys a really fun deal on Macy's.com. So I actually found this deal from Tina from Free Stuff Finder, and she must have known that I have been dreaming of a waffle iron. So the Bella mini waffle makers, they are on sale for $9.99, and you can do free pickup in store. So they're priced for $9.99. You can get the gingerbread one. They also have a unicorn one. So if you know someone who is a unicorn fan, or maybe you're going to have like a unicorn birthday party, this would be perfect. There's also a snowflake one. It looks like there is a Christmas tree one. And then there's a regular one for $14.99. So I actually think I'm going to snag this unicorn one because I know that my daughter Scarlett is absolutely going to love this. So I'm going to pick up mine right now, and I'm going to go ahead and do the, let's see, how are we going to do this? I definitely want to do free ship to store, which I'm fine waiting. Okay, cool. Okay, free ship to store. Let's see if there's anything on Rakuten. Oh my God, and there's 10% cash back on Rakuten. You're kidding me. Okay, so my order is placed and it is $10.76 is the final cost of this waffle iron, and I am so excited about this. Like, I cannot even tell you guys how excited I am about this. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below. So if you guys want to go ahead and snag yours, definitely don't want to miss out on this. Such a great deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick pop in and a really fun gift idea, or just something fun to have in your kitchen. So I'm so excited about this deal. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye guys.